Tēnā koutou te whanau. My name is Rangi Huata. I am the events manager for Ngāti Kahungunu Iwi, and our organisation is supporting Totara Health, the PHO and the DHB with their vaccination centre right here in Flaxmere. Every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m, we're vaccinating our whanau. And whanau, it looks good. I've been here and seen hundreds of our people come in each weekend. We're on track to get 91% vaccinated, and our iwi chairman, Ngahiwi Tamona, has put it out across Aotearoa that we're aiming for 100% kahungunu vaccinated. So whanau, come and join us. We've got our own way of manaki all of our visitors with kai, with kani, with music, with DJ. Maybe you can join in and sing as well. But come along, bring your whanau, get vaccinated for you, for yours, for us all. Kia ora koutou.